Welcome to Copenhagen, Denmark. This vibrant city is the capital of Denmark and is known for its beautiful canals, charming architecture, and delicious food. In this virtual tour, we will take you on an adventurous journey through Copenhagen, highlighting its history, people, culture, food, top 3 places to see, and travel tips. Copenhagen was founded in the 10th century as a Viking fishing village. The city quickly grew in importance and became the capital of Denmark in the 15th century. Copenhagen has played a significant role in European history, and its rich culture is evident in its many historic landmarks, such as the Round Tower, Nyhavn, and Christiansborg Palace. The people of Copenhagen are known for their friendly and welcoming nature. Danes are also known for their strong sense of civic duty and their commitment to social welfare. Copenhagen, a multicultural city with a rich culture, is home to people from all over the world. The city is also home to world-class museums, theaters, and restaurants. Copenhagen is also known for its design scene, and its many festivals and events attract visitors from all over the world. Copenhagen is a foodie's paradise. The city has a diverse culinary scene, with restaurants serving everything from traditional Danish cuisine to international fare. Be sure to try some of Copenhagen's signature dishes, such as smørrebrød, frikadelle, and rødgrød med fløde. Smørrebrød is a Danish open-faced sandwich that is a must-try for any visitor to the country. Made with rye bread and a variety of toppings, including meats, cheeses, fish, and vegetables, smørrebrød is a delicious and satisfying meal. For a truly authentic experience, try smørrebrød at one of the many traditional restaurants in Copenhagen. Frikadelle, or Danish meatballs, are a popular comfort food in Denmark. Made with ground pork, onions, eggs, and breadcrumbs, frikadelle are typically pan-fried and served with boiled potatoes and a brown sauce. To experience the true taste of Denmark, try frikadelle at a traditional restaurant or food stall. Rødgrød med fløde, or red berry pudding with cream, is a classic Danish dessert. Made with a variety of red berries, sugar, and a bit of potato starch, rødgrød med fløde is a sweet and refreshing treat. For a taste of Denmark's natural bounty, try rødgrød med fløde at a traditional restaurant or café. Copenhagen, the capital of Denmark, is a vibrant and cosmopolitan city with a rich history and culture. There are many places to see and things to do in Copenhagen, but here are the top 3 must-sees. Our first stop is Nyhavn, a picturesque waterfront district in Copenhagen with colorful 17th and 18th century buildings, a variety of restaurants and bars, and boat tours to explore the city from a different perspective. Next we'll visit Tivoli Gardens. This world-famous amusement park is one of the oldest operating amusement parks in the world. Tivoli Gardens is a must-see for visitors of all ages, and it features a variety of rides, attractions, and gardens. If you're visiting Copenhagen in the summer, be sure to check out the Tivoli Gardens at night. The park is transformed into a magical wonderland with twinkling lights and live music. It's an unforgettable experience. Our last stop is the Little Mermaid. This iconic bronze statue is a symbol of Copenhagen and is one of the most photographed landmarks in the city. The Little Mermaid is based on the fairy tale by Hans Christian Andersen, and it is a popular tourist destination. Copenhagen is a city with something to offer everyone, and these are just the top 3 places to visit. Be sure to explore and discover all that the city has to offer. Here are some Copenhagen travel tips to help you make the most of your adventure. The best time to visit Copenhagen is during the spring or summer months, when the weather is mild. Copenhagen can be unpredictable, so it's important to be prepared for anything. Bring layers of clothing, an umbrella, and a raincoat. Copenhagen is a very walkable city, but you can also get around by bicycle or public transportation. Copenhagen is a relatively expensive city, but there are ways to save money, such as eating at budget-friendly restaurants and taking advantage of free activities. Copenhagen is a vibrant and exciting city with something to offer everyone. Whether you are interested in history, culture, food, or simply enjoying a beautiful city, Copenhagen is the perfect destination for you. As we conclude our virtual tour of Copenhagen, we want to thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about this vibrant city. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new video.